Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we'll make a short conversation. Okay, I will ask you also Bengali sentences. You try to repeat it in English. Okay, so first, hey, তুমি কি অসুস্থ?
Hey, are you sick?
Hey, তুমি কি অসুস্থ? Hey, are you sick? Okay, are you sick? Are you sick? Okay. Next হচ্ছে না আমি সামান্য ঘুম ঘুম অনুভব করছি।
No, I'm just feeling little bit sick.
Good. No, I'm just feeling a little bit sleepy. That means আমি সামান্য ঘুম ঘুম অনুভব করছি। কেন তুমি রাতে ঘুমাওনি?
Why didn't you sleep last night?
Okay, why didn't you sleep last night? কেন তুমি রাতে ঘুমাওনি? Why didn't you sleep last night? Okay, last and final one. আসলে আমি রাতে ঘুমাতে পারিনি।
Actually, I couldn't sleep last night.
Okay, actually I couldn't sleep last night. Okay, আসলে আমি গত রাতে ঘুমাতে পারিনি। That's all. Okay, you try to make this type of short conversation to enhance your speaking fluency if you really want to elevate your speaking.